Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I want to talk about why it's much better to leverage credit and debt when making personal purchases rather than taking money out of your carpet cleaning business. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB, or Ads Grow Business. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many carpet cleaning business owners as humanly possible, whether that's through our specialist program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So in this video, I'm going to talk about why basically it's much better to leverage like loans, credit cards to make purchases rather than actually like take money out of your business and kind of pay yourself more money. And the reason is really, really simple, because every time you take money out of your business and you pay yourself, you've got to pay tax on it. Right? And the more you pay yourself, the more you earn from your business, the more tax you've got to pay. And it can be quite costly, right? And one of the biggest hacks that really, really, really wealthy people leverage, instead of taking money out of their business and paying huge taxes, they leverage loans and credit cards to make their purchases and pay it off over a longer period of time, number one. And number two, because the interest rates are typically way lower than the amount of tax you'll pay if you were to take the money out of the business. You know, for example, there are a number of interest-free credit cards that are interest-free for the first 1 year or 2 years. So, you know, if you need to make a big payment or a big investment, let's say you've got a credit card with a $10,000 or a £10,000 credit limit on it, and you need to make a payment of £6,000 or $6,000, rather than take that money out of the business and pay tax on it, put it on your interest-free credit card, and it's costing you nothing then in terms of interest or taxes, and then pay it off, you know, $500 or £500 a month over the next 12 months. And in doing so, you've actually saved yourself like a ton of money, because you haven't had to pay tax on that money that you've just taken out of the business, or you haven't had to pay like high interest-free credit card on purchases. There's certain things that you can do like that, you know. And again, you know, look at loan deals. If you go to the bank or look at the different banks and different loan deals that you can get, quite often you'll probably find that you'll be able to get a loan with a better interest rate that's lower than if you were to take the money out of the business. It's lower than the tax rate. So if you need to buy something for 20 grand or 10 grand, 5 grand, whatever it is, check out the different options in terms of loans and interest rates. I'm not a financial advisor. You need to do your own research. But, you know, in England, for example, it's like 20% tax. And then after you earn a certain amount, it goes up to 40% tax. If you can get a loan which got 10% interest rate, that's like half of the standard tax rate. So it's way better to take out a loan. Some of the big, you know, like your Warren Buffett, your Elon Musks, your top entrepreneurs of the world, that's what they're doing. They're leveraging other people's money, and so therefore it's costing them less to make these investments rather than using their own and paying a ton of tax. So, you know, you need to make that big purchase. Next time you're looking at making that investment on a personal level, whatever that is, a new car or a TV or whatever it is, and you're thinking about taking a lump of money out of the business to make that personal investment, have a look at what you can do in terms of credit cards and loans and stuff, because I'll be honest with you, it's probably going to be cheaper to do that than it is to take that money out of the business. And what's awesome is that, you know, because you're leveraging other people's money, you're keeping your own money inside your own business, right? So a little super hack there in terms of money and business and stuff like that. I just wanted to share with you something to think about in the future. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below. And if you would like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our specialist program, head down to the description as well, where you'll find all the necessary links and information so you can kind of book a call with us. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.